entrepreneurs, and all the participants. It's my privilege to welcome you all to the stakeholder meeting on the pharmaceutical sector under the Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance RAM program. Now, may I now have the honor of inviting our esteemed guest, Dr. Narendra, Dr. Narendra, Deputy Drugs Controller and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Shri Devendra Appa, Trade Chamber of Cuba, Srimati Sridev Ma'am, the Head of the Department of JPL, and Shri Raju Krishnan, the JPL Consultant. To kindly grace the dais, we privileged by your presence and respectfully request you to join our stage. We are delighted to welcome you to the stakeholder meeting on the pharmaceutical sector organized under the RAM program, Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance in association with TGTPC, the micro, small and the medium entrepreneurs. Today's session is designed to bring our pharmaceutical MSME to face with regulators, export promotion bodies and financial institutes, all under one roof, with the shared goal of helping you become confident and competitive exporters. Without further delay, I now invite the representative of Jagadeesh Private Limited, Ms. Soumya Mahadev, to deliver the welcome address. May I now request you to join at the podium.
Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to each one of you on behalf of Jagadeesh Private Limited. I extend my sincere gratitude to all our distinguished guests, speakers, and industry experts and government officials and MSME representatives for taking time to participate in today's stakeholder meeting on the pharmaceutical sector, organized under the Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance RAM program. Jagadeesh Private Limited is proud to be the implemented partner of Telangana Trade Promotion Corporation under the RAM program. Our organization is committed to supporting the growth of micro, small and medium enterprises by connecting them with government initiatives, industry experts, financial institutions and global market opportunities. We work closely with various stakeholders to strengthen MSMEs through capacity building, export promotion, market linkages and strategic industry development. And the Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance Program is an initiative of the Ministry of MSME Government of India, supported by the World Bank. The objective of this program is to strengthen MSMEs by improving their competitiveness, productivity and technology adoption and quality standards. And Telangana has we have a question of pharmaceutical sector. Telangana has established itself as one of India's leading pharmaceuticals manufacturing hub. The state contributes significantly to India's pharmaceutical production and exports. However, for MSMEs, there is still many opportunities to expand into international markets by improving regulatory compliance, quality certification, international registrations, and export finance and market intelligence, global buyer connection. Today's stakeholder meeting has therefore been designed to address these critical areas. Thank you. Enjoy the session.
Thank you for that warm and inspiring welcome. Now I would like to invite Devendra Appa, Trade Chamber of Cuba, onto the dais.
Good morning, everyone. Andariki namaskaram. So I request all back certificate to come little front for us. Can you just free? The last bench. Please come. Where you can able to hear without speaker also. So whenever the meeting starts at a government agency, no, always people will be coming late. What madams was mentioning me. As would have stayed some more time, but because I had to go to Chennai, so we'll be leaving from here another half an hour will be with you. As we are in great city of Hyderabad, and that pharma hub of India. pharma hub of India, and there are more than 2,000 life sciences manufacturers and more than 269 US FDA plants. Apart from that, there is a genuinely lot of bioinformatics, then biosimilar, then where the world largest vaccines, great things are there. So once you keeps on telling, there is endless list into there. So I'm very happy. Just I will introduce myself as J.K. Devindrapa. I'm the Trade Commissioner of Cuba. So I'm operating from the Bangalore. As recently I was with Jagadeesh sir and Dr. Sridevi Garu. So as demand for the formulation is increasing day in and day out. Not only one, vaccine demand is high, API is also very high, the formulations, the counts of units, on an average, it increasing 10 to 12%. But at the same time, global market, as it is almost 1.89 US billion dollars, it is 2025 data. When we are expecting somewhere by 2030, it will be almost 2.87 billions. So it is in terms of this thing around 140 billions. That's what the expected figure. And most of the countries, like European country, then Italy, Middle East, Europe, Japan, Australia, Canada, already mostly they depends upon the Indian market. As we are having a regulatory, and after the GMP regulatory has become very strict, we are no more less than when the regulatory is concerned, like US FDA, it may be like MHR, then TGA. When you compare to other things, we are far improved version. And recently, for the GMP round, more than 3,800 units have been closed because of not meeting of the regulatory. No, it is every day there is a good improvement, and lot of regulatory also taken care, and quality is good, and we are having very good team of like quality assurance, quality control, then regulatory. Vast improvement is there. I am very happy to share with you. And India being the pharma hub of India, and what very good scope is there. So always we look forward for the good quality of product. So this is what I am expecting. Many more things has to come, and every year there is an increment from the production wise. Productions 10 to 12% rise in demand as per the latest indications are given. So I think some more people have to come now. So these are the things I want to share with you. So thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. We now move to our next section where we will learn more about the work being done under the RAM program. It gives me great pleasure to invite Srimati Dr. Sridevi Garu from JPL to share insights on initiative support mechanism and opportunities available to MSMEs under this program. Ma'am, the floor is yours.
Good morning, everybody, and a warm welcome to this session. Actually, I wanted to brief you about what is this program about. Everybody knows about TGTPC as our MSMEs, that is Telangana Trade Promotion Corporation. Under RAM program, Telangana Trade Promotion Corporation is doing two programs. That is, one is Export Champions, another is Import Substitution. So, two programs they have given as implementing agency to Jagadeesh Private Limited. So, we are on behalf of TGTPC, we are taking these two programs ahead under the government of Telangana. So, today we have come here for the export promotion. Under this program, what are all the things we will do, like TGTPC will do? First of all, we will gather the interested MSMEs in pharmaceuticals company. Like we have 5 more trust sectors. Not only pharmaceuticals, we are dealing with electronics and engineering goods, agriculture, and then handlooms and handicrafts. So pharma is one of the sector we have selected as an export promotion, as a to improve the pharma's exports. As Devendrappa Garu has told, Sir is a trade commissioner of Cuba. Why we call Sir here is actually under this program we are supposed to do reverse bias assessments. What is reverse LS bias means? We only bring the bias from outside to you people, the MSMEs who are manufacturing in Telangana, so that you can showcase your products to the buyers. So we have called, here we have invited Sir just to give you the insights about the RBS. We are getting the buyers from out of India. Like Sir is very much he'll be always in contact with all the outside people. So like buyers in the out of India. So we are planning to get 10 to 15 buyers with the help of Devendrappa Garu, because he's from Cuba. He sees trades of Cuba. So South American countries, North American countries, and then from South Africa. Few from US, UK also, they are showing interest to come to India. So this program is all about reverse bias assessment. August ending or September first week, when the buyers gives their dates of readiness, we will be announcing the program, announcing the reverse bias assessment, so that you people will come there. You will have the B2B interactions with the buyers. You can export your products to the other countries. So main goal of this program is this reverse bias assessment. In this, we will support you in every way. Like TGTPC or Government of Telangana will support you in all the ways. Like whatever, few people doesn't have the export licenses. Few people they don't know how to export, because other sectors we have seen. That's why I don't know about pharma. Maybe you are all exporters, but still few MSMEs will be there who are not exporting. So we are here to handhold them for their exports. We'll take care of the licenses, what are needed for the exports. We'll take care of the standards, and we'll take care of the shipments also. We'll follow you, we'll handhold you to the reaching of your shipment to the other country with whom you are doing a MOU. So this is all the program itself. So to tell you about this program, we have gathered here. So if people are not come here, you can pass this, what is this program about, or reverse bias assessment to your colleagues. Not only 50 MSMEs, we are concentrating on 200 MSMEs or 250 MSMEs. That is our goal. So I think if any questions are there, you can ask. Here we have Dr. Narendra Garu, the drug controller, and we have called Pharmaceuticals people also. They may be joining the session, maybe 1 hour late, I think. So if you have any doubts, we are here to help you. There will be a question answer session also. Then you can ask us any doubts, and we will be here till you export your products to other countries. So don't think that this program ends here. This is a 2 years program. We will be here handholding you, and you can reach out to us. We will share you everything, mails and WhatsApp groups we will create, and any queries you have, wherever you have a problem, we are here to help you. Thank you. Sir, please.
See, across the globe, for an extent of 110 countries. It may be API, it may be formulation, it may be vaccine. Wherever you need some, definitely will be there. This is what I think.
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for the comprehensive overview of the RAM program and the valuable support TGTPC continues to extend our MSME opportunity. We are certain many of our participants here will benefit directly from these initiatives. May I now honor as a token of our gratitude and appreciation, may I request Dr. Sridevi Garu to kindly present a plan to our honor esteemed speaker, Devendra Akka, Trade Commissioner of Chamber of Cuba. This plan symbolizes our respect, gratitude, and our shared commitment towards the sustainable growth and a green future.
Sir is leaving to Chennai, that's why. Sir is in the 1 o'clock flight is there, but still he came for us.
Thanks a lot.
Sir, somebody will sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Vivek. You can speak from here.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir is leaving, sir, 1 o'clock Chennai. We meet him because we want fathers from however the world is there. So we have lot of contacts. So he will always outside as a trade commissioner. So we have lot of
Is the backbone of the pharmaceutical industry, and our next section addresses this critical subject in detail. I now invite the esteemed representative from Drugs Control Administrator, Dr. K. Narendran, Deputy Drugs Controller, Ministry of Health, Family Welfare of Telangana, to enlighten us on the regulatory framework, manufacturing licenses, GMP compliance, and quality standards applicable to pharmaceuticals MSMEs. Sir, we welcome you to the podium.
Good morning to all. First of all, I should thank Jagadeesh Private Limited and Readiness for TGTPC for estimating a serious role for this program. So basically, regulatory compliance means you should aware we have recently implemented our revised schedule, which is effective from 1/1/2026. Rule has came in 28th December 2023. So we are going phase-wise manner to implement the revised schedule in the country. So revised schedule is in par with the international standards, that is ICH and WHO TRS requirements. So GMP is good manufacturing practice where every pharmaceutical company should comply with this regulation for getting the basic license, that is manufacturing license. If you want to export for any drug to other country, you should follow the regulation of that particular country. And if you want to go for export market, for WHO market, that is in international commerce, you should get the certificate called COPP, that is Certificate of Pharmaceutical Product for each product. So if you want to find the dossier, for example, if somebody overseas manufacturer, if want to manufacture the drug and export to India, they should get registration from CDSO. Similarly, vice versa. If you want to do any product registration in any country, you should submit the dossier that will be approved by that particular authority. Then only you can export your drug to particular country for that particular population. So this is the thumb rule every country follows. So GMP, every country has its own GMP regulations. For example, USFDA follow USFDA guidelines, and EU GMP for Europe countries follow EU GMP guidelines, and Australia has TGA, Therapeutic Goods Administration guidelines, and common international guidelines or ICH guidelines. So basically, now I am coming back to the schedule. The schedule is recently implemented, where we have made the pharmaceutical quality management system and computerized validation, and you should have the process control, product process validation, HVAC system, water system. There is a lot of technical requirements. To support that, government has given ample of time to implement. So phase wise we are given for in that criteria is 250 crore and above 250, below 250 and above crore, that was given, guideline is given. So the revised schedule is in part we have categorized APA, what is APA, what is the specific chapter for APA, what is the specific chapter for basic quality management system. That is chapter 1, part 1A has to what company should have self-inspection, company should have the internal audit, company should have the pharmacovigilance system. So these are the requirements of other country. If you want to improve your facility, you should upgrade your facility by incorporating the schedule 1 requirements. That is the need of the hour, because GMP concept came in the country in phase-wise manner. 2005 we implemented one set of GMP. Till after 25 years we have implemented GMP. So you should understand the need of the hour. So because you know why this GMP concept is important, because there are 3 words is important: contamination, cross contamination, mix-up. To avoid this only we brought, we name these all countries are following this GMP. So every product now starting end to end process is there. End to end required the regulation. For it now recently to promote the ease of doing business. See, there is another thing is that if you want to export any unapproved drug or banned drug, CDSO is giving NOC, specific NOC, quantity specific, country specific, to export to particular country. That product should not be diverted to domestic market. For example, now we call all ER, sustained release, modified release, all as a new drug. So somebody want to get mesalamine extended release tablets for 150 mg, 250 mg for other country. If they want to get in market, domestic market, you should get CDSO permission. Then only state will give the license for manufacturing. Now, yes, you don't want to do for export market. You don't want to do domestic market. You want to do for export market, you should apply in our portal to us. We will give the NOC. Based on that, state will give the quantity specific, country specific. That is now we purchase order for 1 year also. That 1 year is valid. How much quantity you want that particular country, particular country will give NOC. No need for repeat applications. These are the recent development to promote ease of doing business. And we made the ONDLS portal, there is online drug licensing system portal for getting WHO GMPs for COPP certificate. So that is also, see, if COPP, if we are getting for one product, that inspection will valid for WHO GMP inspection for 2 years. In between, in the period of 2 years, you can submit multiple products, will give the as an endorsement. Additional product will review the checklist and will give the NOC, and we can get the COPP from the state, the particular countries. So, and further for trade facilitation now, some country if you want to import, we are aware of the many test license requirements also. There is a clear intimation system concept is came for even for other than this 5 category of drugs, narcotics, sex hormones, and beta-lactam, and live modified organisms. This other than these 5 categories, if you want to develop the drug for any export purpose, test license is waived off. So government is taking various initiatives to streamline the one side we are streamlining, one side we are strengthening, and to what the purpose is that we should grow in as a country. We should facilitate the trade. And now we made in if we are exporting the drugs to other country, again our port office will review the export NOC is given by CDSO. So in that case, a customs will refer bill to us. So what we did, if the direct manufacturer, if directly exporting, we are waived off shipping bill export NOC. If somebody is trader, merchant exporter, he want export only, the NOC comes to us, we will do the NOC. This kind of steps already have initiated. So this our office is open. Any 3 to 5 year PRO time is a Monday to Friday. So we can visit our office for technical queries for export guidance. And basically the submission is here as that you should understand the GMP concept. Why I am insisting again is, you know, the country has faced last 3 4 years different episodes. Afghanistan, Marion, recently domestic manufactured children has died in Madhya Pradesh. So cough syrup inspection is triggered. So the concept is there that you should do the quality products by adopting the regulation. If you are doing exporting any not of standard quality products, it has become any MSP हो गया, you will answer to the particular country, including the regulatory authority in India. So you should be aware the product which is manufactured at your premises should comply with the quality standards. Take the incoming material, please test the incoming material whether the material is having any impurities, whether the DEG is test करना पड़ेगा. So this kind of basic things. There is multiple things to understand. So you know already you are in field how the GMP has changed. So that to Telangana is the state we have the pharmaceutical technology, that is all pharma people, all vaccines, biosimilars, R&D, CMDRO, CMO. So it's now the world is going very fast. So end-to-end process. Now starting from the R&D to the commercial scale. People are having package that is end-to-end development. So they are giving the product development for it. So there is in between every country's bioequivalence, BAB study should be carried out. Depends on the molecule. So there is you should get the protocol approval. For that also we are given way off. For some kind of studies for export purpose, we are given the way of we should submit the fees only based on clear intimation. You can do the BAB studies and submit the dossier to other countries. So as far as export is concerned, we are aware of many things, and recently, before 2024 May, the export NOCs was issued for unapproved drug, banned drug, or within approved drug for a period of 4 years and issued by state license company. So we have taken recently from state, that is we have delegated to the Delhi state and we have taken back. And we are issuing export NOC. Timeline of export NOC is only 5 days. 5 days. So we are open for any technical discussion. So you can land our office at any time for as far as any export regulation is concerned, even for domestic also. The submission again here is that please understand the GMP concept. Okay, if system in place, GMP is the system, you should adopt. Because it is the need of the hour, it should be accepted, adopted, and to be followed. Thank you so much. Yes. Any questions?
If you have any questions, please, sir. Please.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. This is Nalu Prasad. I have a question. You are saying that for NOC, for any products you want to export, we are going to get the NOC, it's good, but those countries are asking about the COB for the NOC products. How we can get the COB for the
COPP, you should follow you submit the application ONDLS application or online drug license system. That application, that portal you should submit the application. After that, there is a checklist, is there COPP checklist and WHO GMP checklist.
So it's a general normal process what we are getting for the other products in the premises, the COPs. In that way only we are going.
Yes. So that is that specific quantity, no? That yes. First of all, you should get the specific NOC from us. Then based on that, you will get the manufacturing license. Then you apply for COPP in ONDLS. Quantity specific, country specific, you should apply.
So first we need to get the NOC, then we have to apply for the same product in the state, and
Yes,
then we have
yes,
to go
yes.
for the same process.
Yes.
But again it will take the long time to get the COPP for that particular product.
See, now the in COPP also there is one OND less product, there is one development we are making. For a specific quantity also we are giving option to submit.
Okay.
So that is in development phase. Current practice and multiple companies are getting. So you know your purchase or export analysis for 1 year we are giving now. 1 year based on the quantity. So 1 year is one time NOC.
Right, sir.
Manufacturing license one time. COPP is also one time. If you are getting COPP, you can do export for next 3 years. No.
So earlier we are not getting the COPP for the NOC products.
No, it is not like that. There are also state used to give.
Okay, sir.
It is the prior to whatever offline, it has become same online. There is no much changes.
Okay.
Online is made just to paper to save the papers. That's all.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right.
I'm an Ayurvedic manufacturer.
Yes.
Do we need any licenses, approvals from department?
So CDSO regulates only allowed products. For Ayurvedic, there is Ayush Ministry is very no.
Yeah, we have licenses. I
For you want for export purpose?
Yeah.
Yes. You should get export NOC. For COPP, it should be CDSO headquarter.
Pardon?
CDSO headquarter will issue COPP for based on your application.
Acha.
DCJ is the approving authority for export purpose. COPP will issued by CDSO headquarter.
How to apply that?
So there is a you can submit in offline to headquarter. There is a now Ministry of Ayush has created separate vertical in CDSO. There is Ayush vertical is there. So that Ayush officer is sitting there, he will review. Then they will put up to the licensing authority. DCJ is the licensing authority for export purpose or COPP. You can come to our office, we'll reach out the headquarter and give the checklist to you and we'll guide you how to go in.
Thank you, sir.
Agreeable office. Where is office or St. Jude office?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for the detailed and extremely informative session. Complaints can often seem complex, but this session has certainly given our MSMEs much needed clarify on the regulatory packaging. On that informative note, let us take a short break for the tea and coffee. We request all our delegates to please proceed to the refreshment area and kindly be seated back in the hall by 12 noon sharp, as we have a two very important export focused session coming up right after the break. May I now honor to inviting our esteemed guest, Dr. Narendra Rao, to kindly grace the be privileged by our presence.
Thank you.
Hello. వాళ్ళు యాక్చువల్లీ అందరూ వస్తున్నారు
regulations because he is in that regulation 25 years. Since 25 years he is with that regulation. Can I sir, please experience me చెప్పండి sir, because మీకున్న experience 25 years.
ఎప్పుడు కూడా అంత ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఒకసారి చెప్తాం అనుకుంటే ఎంత కష్టంగా ఉందని ఎవరు
సార్ కష్టంగా లేకుండా వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం
అలా కాదు సార్, అలా మేడం ఇప్పుడు ఎవరికైనా వాళ్ళకి ఎలా ఉండాలంటే నేను రేపు పొద్దున్నే తినేయాలన్న టైప్లో ఉండాలి. సో ఆ టైప్లో మనం చెప్పలేము కూడా.
రెగ్యులేషన్స్ అలా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మెల్లమెల్లగానే ఇంజెక్ట్ చేయండి ఆటోమేటిక్గా
అంతే అంటారు సార్.
నేను పెద్ద పెద్ద కంపెనీలకి చెప్పేవాడిని 5 వీక్స్ వాళ్ళు ఎంత పడితే అప్పుడు సిఓపికి వెళ్ళాం డబ్ల్యూహెచ్ఓ. సో అలాంటప్పుడు మీకు ఇక్కడ మీరేం చేయగలరు. మీరు టార్గెట్ చేయాల్సిందంటే ఎంఎస్ఎంఈలో కూడా డబ్ల్యూహెచ్ఓ జిఎంపీ ఉన్న కంపెనీలు రెడీ టు డబ్ల్యూహెచ్ఓ జిఎంపీకి వెళ్ళే కంపెనీలు టార్గెట్ చేసి వీళ్ళు కోర్స్
కరెక్టే కదా సార్. ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న వాటికి చేస్తున్నారు, మీరు కొత్త వాళ్ళకి చేయట్లేదు అంటారు సార్.
అలా కాదు. ఇప్పుడు కంపెనీ ఉంది నా దగ్గర 100 crores కంపెనీ ఉంది. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేయలేదు చేస్తున్నారు బట్ త్రూ ట్రేడర్స్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో వాళ్ళకి ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళకి ఇన్సెంటివ్స్ ఉంటాయి, వాళ్ళకి డబ్బులు వస్తాయి, మీ ప్రాఫిట్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను మార్కెట్లో ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ పెడతాను అనుకుంటున్నాను, మార్కెట్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ రాదు. డొమెస్టిక్ మార్కెట్లో నేను 1 కోటి రూపాయలు ఖర్చు పెడుతున్నాను మార్కెట్ చేయడానికి. నేను ఇదే 1 కోటి రూపాయలు పెట్టి నేను ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ నా పేరు పే చేసుకున్నాను, నా పేరు మీద ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను బిజినెస్ చేయించుకుని నా సర్టిఫికేట్ అమ్ముకుంటే ఇంకోటి బిజినెస్ చేసుకుంటాను, అది పెట్టినాను ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం నేను అది మనీ నేను తెచ్చుకోగలుగుతాను. ఈ డిఫరెన్సెస్ తెలిసి ఆటోమేటిక్గా వస్తాయి. సో మెయిన్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ అంతేగాని ఈరోజు ఉన్న రెగ్యులేషన్స్ 5 years అనగానే మీరు ఏమన్నారు మీరు కూడా డబ్బులు పెడతారా? బట్ ఫైనల్లీ ఏమవుతుందంటే 5 years పెట్టిన రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కాలేదు మనీ లాస్ట్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద సో సెలక్షన్ కూడా చేస్తారు, అలా అని చెప్పి తీసుకొచ్చారు. అంటే నెగిటివ్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను కాదు, బట్ ప్రాక్టికల్గా లేదు ఫార్మా.
మీరు ప్రాక్టికల్ బట్ ఫార్మా ఇస్ హబ్ అంటారు కదా సార్. వీఆర్ ఎక్స్పోర్టింగ్ అసలు ఇండియాలోనే
ఇప్పుడు కోవిడ్ వ్యాక్సిన్ బాగా అయిపోయింది. మిగతా కంపెనీ స్టేట్లతో పోల్చుకుంటే మన స్టేట్ పర్లేదంటే ఉన్న టాప్ 3 స్టేట్స్ కంపేర్
మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరర్స్ అన్ని ఫార్మా అంటే ఇది ఒక ప్రొడక్ట్ కూడా ఇంటర్మీడియట్స్ పెట్టి దానికి డ్రగ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, పెల్లెట్స్
బయర్స్ దేనికి వస్తున్నారు, దేనికి మనం తీసుకురావాలి, మన ఎంఎస్ఎంఈస్ దగ్గర ఏమి ఉన్నాయంటే మనం ఇప్పుడు మ్యాచ్
అది మనం
నెక్స్ట్ అదే సార్.
ఫార్మా
సో వీళ్ళందరి దగ్గర మన ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అంటే పెల్లెట్స్
అన్ని
ఫార్ములేషన్స్ తీసుకొని మనం మన బయర్స్ కావాలి.
బయర్ సెటిల్మెంట్కి చాలా మనం చెప్పిన ఒక కాబట్టి అందరూ రావడం 3 weeks మీటింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఎక్స్టెండ్
ఆర్బీఎస్ కోసం సార్ ఇది మనం పెట్టింది జస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ వాట్ వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఆర్బీఎస్ అని చెప్పడానికి అంటే అంతకుమించి ఇది దీంట్లో ఏదో వీళ్ళకి అనేది సో మీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏంటో మాకు తెలియదు. సో మీ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఏంటో సో దట్ మన దగ్గర ఉన్న బయర్స్కి కరెక్ట్ సెట్ అవుతారా లేదు. ప్లస్ సార్ అంటున్నారు రెగ్యులేషన్స్ అవన్నీ కూడా చూడాలి, మీకు లేకపోతే అవన్నీ మనం చేయించాలి. సో అదంతా ప్రాసెస్ ఉంది సార్. ఇప్పుడే మీరు అన్నట్టు మీరు స్టార్ట్